Hey, how's it going? It's Heather with Papers, Caffeine and Life. Grab your favorite drink, pull up a chair, get some cool paper, and let's get busy. Guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to work on a page spread in my nature, not sure what we're calling this yet, but my giant journal. So I did this page off camera, and I haven't filled it yet, but it's a little, tuck, and then it has a little pocket here. This is actually those drink stick container things. We did this on camera quite a long time ago. It was things to make out of the drink stick boxes, so we made this. And then all I did was I stenciled some things and stamped some things, and then this one I stamped and then I colored in. So that's the first page that I did, and now we're going to work on another one today. Like I said, I think I said in a previous video, I'm not going to do everything on camera, but some things, I'll definitely bring you guys along, but I'll keep you updated as I go and say, like, hey, this is what I did, for this page, and this is what I'm going to do for this page. So you'll get to see it, regardless. And then at the end, we'll do like a big final flip through. So what I want to do for this page is I have a polka dot background stamp that I just want to kind of like randomly stamp around, and then we're going to do some staggered pockets. So for this one, I'm just going to use my brown ground espresso, and I kind of want to do it real lightly, so hopefully it goes on kind of light. And I'm just going to like randomly like stamp around just to kind of like fill the page up a little bit. I thought about doing flowers or something, but I didn't want it to take away from the pocket. So that's why we're doing polka dot. Cool. And some of this is going to get covered up, so you're not going to see all of these polka dots anyways. Like that. So I have my little pockets. I still have to glue the bottom shut. But these are super easy to make. Actually, I got a whole bunch from 2 sheets of paper. So these are really, really easy. These pockets, it's super easy. You just take whatever size paper you want, and you're going to cut it anyways. So even if you have just small paper scraps, it'll work fine. But you want to make for sure whatever your decorative side is away from you. And then you just want to kind of fold it in thirds, but you're not going to crease it yet. And then once you get however much overlap you want, then you'll crease it down, and it works better if you don't have it on a book. You just crease it down like that. And then you're just going to glue along this edge and along this edge. Just like that. And then you have one giant pocket, or then you can go ahead and cut them into smaller pockets. You can cut them evenly. Like you can measure them out and actually cut them, all even. You can cut them all different sizes, whatever you want to do. Then you're left with these individual pieces, and your bottoms and your tops will still be open. So then when you go to use it, all you have to do is glue the bottom. Now, if you wanted to use it as a side tuck or a side pocket, you would just glue the top and the bottom shut, and then you would have your side tuck. So these are super easy, super fun. I've seen a ton of people make these, but the video specifically that I watched when I learned how to do these was the Paper Outpost. And like on hers, I think she kind of laid them together to make like a layered pocket. And that's super cool. I've done that before. But today we're going to do like staggered pockets. And on these ones, like you can kind of see the seam, but it's not super apparent. So even if you wanted to use the seam side up, it would be fine. So let's go ahead and glue these shut, and then we'll go ahead and decorate them, and then we can put them on our page. So this is just a super quick and easy project. It doesn't require a lot of effort. Like I said, these are really good. You can use them with scraps or, you know, full-size paper, whatever. And like the green one is double-sided, but I didn't really care for the inside of the double-sided. You can kind of see it has like coffee on it. And while I'm a huge coffee fan, I didn't really care for the other side. But I loved this like wood tone look. So this is a good way to use up your double-sided paper if you don't like the other side, or it works fabulous for single-sided paper, pretty much anything. So now I'll just go ahead and ink around here. Oh, and I cut like the little kind of thumb notch, and I used my, what is it called? Like the, this edge, the fluted edge almost. I don't know what it's called. I'm drawing a blank. But anyways, I just used that on all three of them. So I will ink these and I'll come right back. Okay, we're inked and we're ready to go. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to do this design on our page. So I have some circles. Where'd my other one go? Oh, there it is. Okay, so I have some circles, and I also have this, it's like a ribbon lace kind of thing, and then I have some of this burlap ribbon. So I just want to glue it straight across the center. Just like that. And this, the burlap stuff I know came from Dollar Tree. And you got the 3 different styles on it. And I really, really like it. It works well for like a ton of different things. And I'm not sure where the other one came from. Not sure if like my mom gave it to me, or if I got it at a yard sale, or where it even came from. Which is where most of my ribbon and stuff come from. But you could use anything that goes with your papers and stuff. The only thing I'll say about this burlap stuff is it does fray a lot, but once you get it glued down, it's okay, usually. I mean, you could take the lighter or whatever to it and do that, but to be on a craft project, and like most of the time, you know, we always strive for that frayed look, so I don't worry about it really. I think it's fine. And this one I just thought went really well with this brown because it definitely pops with the dark mixed with the really light color. So there's that. Now we can put our circles on. And let's see, this one's going to go in the top. This is going to go in the middle, and then this one will go on this side. So I think I want to do the light circles. I want to do the light circles and then the darker circle like this. I like that better. So we're going to do that. All right. So we'll get these glued on and then we can stick them on our page. And then I did pick out some words that I think I might want to just put randomly around the page, but we have to glue these down to see what kind of space they're going to take up first. All right, so just like that, and these I think look super cute. I mean, it's something so simple, but it just looks super nice. Bring our book back in, and I just picked a random page in the journal. I don't know if I said that or not. And you can glue them down to make them a double pocket. I actually don't think, I was thinking about it. I actually don't think I'm going to. I'm just going to glue them straight down. So I'm going to do the top and the bottom first. That way we know where the best part for our middle would be. Right, just like that. And I think that page is super cute. It's simple, like I said, but when you put 3 on a page, or even 2, you can make them a little bit bigger and do 2. But when you put them on a page, it fills the page up without being A, super time consuming, and B, adding a ton of bulk to your paper. And I really, really like them. So there's that. And I just want to do a couple more polka dots. There. That fills it up better. All right. So there it is, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you hit the bell notification and you select all, then you'll see anytime I upload a video. And if you have friends that you think might like this and they don't know about my channel yet, please let them know. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, see ya.